Crypto.com Crowcoin fake out? Is that what we're about to see right now? Or are we going to see a further move to the upside? Are we finally going to see Crowcoin get some wings and fly to new highs? Hopefully, but we're going to talk about it. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to start off here on... Not right here. I want to show you this post I made on Twitter. Follow me at 3the3 Blacksea. I say, update on the Crowcoin short. Because, guys, if you've been watching, you know I've been short Crowcoin. I've been short altcoins right now for the past, probably 2 months or so. I say, market is getting a bounce, as I expected. But what comes next is the true defining factor. Lower high or next leg up. And I show my profit on my Crowcoin short right now, which I'll show you guys in a minute. I'll show it to you live. But it's up about 250%. At one point, it was up about 500%. So I am holding this short open. Either I get stopped out in the profit, and we see this next leg up, which I have spot crow, right? So it's kind of like my hedge. My short is my hedge. Or this is a fake out, and this short continues to print and make more money. And now, if you look at Crowcoin right now, guys, we are getting a nice green weekly candle right now. I'd love to see that. Let's just keep this going. But why do I say this might be a fake out? Is because when I look at this, if you guys were watching my Crowcoin video from really the past 3 or 4 days leading up to this, after we wicked below 12 cents, I was saying, really, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 days ago. The past 9 days I've been talking about it. But I was saying, maintaining this price level over 12 cents on a candle closure on the daily time frame is bullish, and we're probably expecting a bounce, which is exactly what has played out. We're seeing a bounce. But I was really trying to emphasize that we need to be breaking above 15 cents. And we can't be just coming up and hitting it and rejecting down. That'll be quite bearish. And that'll be a big fake out, make everyone super excited, and something that'd be even more trappy and very crypto-esque in the fourth and final phase of this bull market cycle would be a wick above 15 cents immediately down. Excuse me. But I am prepared for that. And that's why right now I'm trying to kind of sound the alarm bells, if you will, because I think that looking for a wick above this with a rejection down is likely. And I don't like being a bear, but guys, I believe in the 4-year cycle, and I think that if we were to expect further new highs for Crowcoin, we need it to happen right now. Right now. We need to see a bullish reversal here on this trend immediately. We need to see this come above 15 cents and close above 15 cents. If we start closing above 15 cents on the daily time frame, do we have more work to do? Yes, but that is the first step in the right direction to a bullish reversal. Now, so I do think there's a possibility that my shorts get invalidated on Crowcoin. I do, but I'm putting my money where my mouth is, and I'm going to continue to hold my short open on over on Blowfin. It's about 253% in the profit, up $424. Guys, this is not a large trade. I'm high leverage scalping. I'm trying to accumulate more profit from these altcoins, hedging against a potential outcome that we are in a bear market right now so that I can accumulate more Bitcoin. I always am touting this, shouting this. I don't even know if touting is the right word, but I'm saying I'm an altcoin trader, and I'm a Bitcoin investor, guys. That's what I do. That's what I do. So that's exactly what I'm doing. If you guys do want to trade with me, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. Sign up to Blowfin. We have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus when you sign up using my link in the description box or pinned comment section below. They're all affiliate links, so it helps with this channel, and they're very lucrative bonuses for you, especially in times like this. This is the perfect time. Now, not financial advice. Not financial advice, but I'm saying this is the perfect time and perfect use case for using leverage, in my opinion, to hedge against spot positions, long-term holdings. If you believe there's a downturn coming, you short the position. If I have spot Crow, right? So I'm shorting Crow because I think that there's a higher likelihood that we see a further breakdown. And it's not it's not like a direct one-to-one hedge or a delta neutral hedge. It's just a way to minimize loss if we are actually moving into a multi-month bear market. So that's what I'm trying to do now. And that's why a lot of people give leverage a bad rap, but it's a very, very powerful tool if you know how to use it. Just learn very slowly. Sometimes I would recommend even using a demo account if you've never leveraged trade before. But regardless, check the links out down below, guys. Sign up to Blowfin. Now, Kronos right now is at rank 28, getting a little bit of a bounce, up 4.8% the past 7 days, about 4% the past 24 hours. Still sitting below 14 cents and still sitting below $5 billion market cap. And another aspect of why we need to see a big move like right now, if you want to see Kronos go to like $1 and beyond, is because of the circulating supply. It's a race against time, guys. I've been talking about ever since they implemented the 70 billion reissuancing of Crowcoins. It's bearish on time. Like there's actually like time decay now for Crowcoin. It's like theta. If you know anything about options, it's an uphill battle, guys. It's an uphill battle to be a Crowcoin holder, especially long term. So if you want to see new highs, you want to see it right now. You want to see Bitcoin make a move to the upside, and you want to see some big ripping, roaring liquidity come into the space like immediately in basically the remainder of 2025. Now, Bitcoin's bouncing, right? About 106,400, very important price level. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been calling about this price level. Bitcoin dominance, nothing burger. Doesn't mean anything right now because it's been sitting at basically 61 to 62% for the past, 6 months, it feels like. Even before like the diabolical 10-10 on October 10th, the terrible drawdown we saw, the liquidity crisis, I'll call it. But Bitcoin dominance doesn't mean anything right now when you have Ethereum below 4,000 and Bitcoin below all-time highs. You shouldn't even be thinking about altcoin season yet until we see ETH and Bitcoin reclaim their glory, back over 5,000, back over all-time highs. And you need to see it hold. Now, why is 106,000 so important? Because on the daily time frame, that's like the first area where I'm like, okay, like maybe we could be getting a reversal. Maybe. 106,600. What are we at? 106,000. Yeah, we're a little bit below it. 106.4. We need to be above 106.6. And guys, like that's just the first step. Okay, like if we are expecting further continuation of the upside, but if not, man, if we see any rejection below 110,000, like even at here, if we see a breakdown, I'm calling for 94,000, guys. I'm calling for a further breakdown. I'm calling for maybe even 88,000, and I'm going to be saying, yeah, we're probably in a bear market. I guys, I was talking to Kip on the phone earlier today, and we're talking about some other people in the space that are always just like moon boys, like saying it's going higher, it's going higher, it's going higher, no matter, no rhyme or reason, it's going higher, it's going higher, it's going higher. We don't want to be that at the Crypto Report. We want to be transparent. I've been trading crypto for over a decade, and when I see signs, I want to tell you guys about those. Now, could I be wrong? Sure. There's always invalidations in trading. It's just probability and statistics, right? But I don't want to be leading you guys to the slaughter. I want to be helping teach and guide potentially. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but I would like to give some of my knowledge to you guys after being through the trenches for over a decade. So when I see things look a little bit bearish, I'm going to tell you guys, I think things look a little bearish. That's what I'm doing. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out all the awesome affiliate links down below. Help support this channel. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.